Holding in a sneeze might seem harmless, but it can put dangerous pressure inside your body. A sneeze can travel at high speed, and when you block it, you force that pressure back into your head, throat, and chest instead of letting it escape. That sudden pressure can strain blood vessels, irritate your ears, and in rare cases, even damage your throat or eardrum. There have been cases where people ended up with severe pain or injury just from trying to hold it in. Sneezing is your body's natural way of clearing irritants from your airways, so stopping it goes against how your body protects itself. So next time, let it out safely instead of forcing it back in. Subscribe for more real health facts you should know.